trying to learn kanji? Click the link in the description to get a free ebook and study along with this lesson.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kanji time. Today we are going to learn N3 kanji. 参りましょう! If you want to do a quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means negate, no, refuse, decline, deny. The on reading for this kanji is ひ like in 否定する meaning to deny. And the kun reading is いな as in 否めない which means undeniable. 私が甘いものが好きだということは否めませんね。This kanji means suck, inhale, imbibe, sip. The on reading for this kanji is 吸 like in 呼吸する which means to breathe, respire. And the kun reading is す like in タバコを吸う meaning to smoke. This kanji means blow, breathe, puff, emit. The on reading for this kanji is 水 like in 吹奏楽 meaning wind instrument music. And the kun reading for this kanji is ふ like in 風が吹く meaning wind blows. This kanji means revelation, tell, inform, notify, announce. The on reading for this kanji is 告 like in 告白 meaning confession, declaration of love. 勇気を出して告白する。バレンタインデーに告白をする。チョコレートと好きです。And the kun reading is つ like in 告げ口をする meaning tell on. おい、告げ口するな。This kanji means call, call out to, invite. The on reading for this kanji is こ as in 人工呼吸 meaning artificial respiration. And the kun reading is よ like in タクシーを呼ぶ。Hey taxi! すいません。Here! Meaning to call a taxi. Quiz time. Say the reading of the following kanji. 告白人工呼吸風が吹くタバコを吸う否定する Now, say the meaning of the following words. 告げ口をする Tell on 否めない Undeniable 呼吸する To breathe, respire 吹奏楽 Wind instrument music タクシーを呼ぶ To call a taxi. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going home. Taxi! Bye! Boom!